Everyone knows that poor sleep makes you tired. But what scientists have discovered goes far beyond that. When you don't sleep properly, toxic substances accumulate in your brain a little more every night. And those toxic substances are directly linked to Alzheimer's disease. In 2013, neuroscientist Nedergaard discovered that the brain has its own cleaning system. It's called the glymphatic system. The moment you fall asleep, cerebrospinal fluid flows through channels in the brain, flushing out the toxic proteins that built up during the day and carrying them into the bloodstream. During deep sleep, brain cells shrink by about 60%, widening those channels and pushing cleaning efficiency up to 10 times higher than normal. When you're awake, this system is 90% shut down. Every hour you remain awake, toxic substances keep accumulating. A 2024 study published in Nature Communications divided 39 healthy adults with no signs of dementia into two groups. One group slept as usual. The other was kept awake through the night. The next morning, blood tests showed that the sleep-deprived group had dangerous levels of Alzheimer's-linked toxic proteins in their blood. This happened after just one night of lost sleep. So how can you maximize your brain's cleaning efficiency and reduce your risk of Alzheimer? First, keep a fixed sleep and wake time. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. A stable circadian rhythm ensures your brain's cleaning cycle runs at exactly the right time. Second, get at least 7 hours of sleep. Brain cleaning is most active during deep sleep. Deep sleep begins 60 to 90 minutes after you fall asleep and repeats in roughly 90-minute cycles. Sleep less than 7 hours, and you risk losing one of those cycles entirely. Third, keep your bedroom between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius. Your core body temperature needs to drop by about 1 degree to enter deep sleep. A warm shower before bed actually helps. It draws heat to the skin surface and releases it, lowering your core temperature faster. Fourth, get 10 minutes of morning sunlight right after waking. Natural light anchors your circadian clock and ensures melatonin is released at the right time that night. Fifth, try sleeping on your side. Animal studies have found that the lateral position improves cerebrospinal fluid flow. Human research is still ongoing, but it's worth trying. Now, what blocks the brain's cleaning cycle? First, drinking alcohol before bed. A single drink within 3 hours of bedtime reduces deep sleep by up to 25%. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but your brain won't get properly cleaned. Second, relying on sleeping pills. Many sleep medications induce unconsciousness, but suppress the deep sleep architecture, where glymphatic cleaning actually occurs. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up with an unclean brain. Third, using screens before bed. Blue light within an hour of bedtime delays melatonin release by up to 3 hours. Without melatonin, deep sleep becomes difficult to reach. Fourth, irregular sleep patterns. The glymphatic system is tied to your circadian clock. When your sleep schedule shifts on weekends, your brain's cleaning timing shifts with it. Fifth, caffeine in the afternoon. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours. A coffee at 3 p.m. still has half its caffeine circulating in your blood at 10 p.m. Sleep is not simply about recovering from fatigue. Every night is the only window your brain has to clean itself. Making that window count consistently is one of the most powerful things you can do right now to prevent Alzheimer. Start tonight's same bedtime, a cool room, and a closer eye on alcohol and caffeine. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.